complicated kasi yung injury ko. So, we had to figure out talaga kung ano yung work sa akin. So, yun lang. Sabi ko nga sa interview kanina, it took me a lot of patience and discipline to get that. Kasi nga, mindset also kasi, you know, when you have injuries, very frustrating. So, you just really have to be patient. So, yun lang. I learned a lot with everything that happened with my injury. So, that's one thing to look at the other side naman. So, I'm happy naman na nakabalik ko din.
So, not the way you would have wanted to return. Pero kumbaga, kamusta lang din ba yung usapin mo din after parang tawin na or Jesus?
Yeah, positive naman yung team after the game. Kasi nga, it wasn't a really easy game. So, nakita naman nag-effort, tough loss talaga. But yun nga, just like other game, after matapos na isang game, we have to focus on the next one because we only have limited time to be ready. And the coaches bigay na rin ng mga feedback sa amin.
At so doon naka 12 points ka tonight, siguro napakiramdaman mo sa team aling medyo kulang pa physically sa'yo this game?
I think physically?
Or mentally, saan ka pa na kulangan kumbaga after this game?
Honestly, I appreciate the team for working hard tonight. And sabi ko nga, hindi na talaga yung game kasi maganda rin naman talaga yung laro ng Akari and everyone's working dun sa team nila and we just really have to, I think, mag-react sa kung ano ginagawa ng kabilang team. And yun lang, may mga crucial errors din kasi kami na nakapag-iba ng momentum. So, yun din, napanggit din ako.
Thank you.